Cold open. Ever feel like you're running a marathon on your keyboard? Let's turn that jog into a sprint. Watch as we demonstrate these keyboard shortcuts in action. First up, witness the speed of the CTRL plus C and CTRL plus V combo. See how you can copy and paste like a ninja. Then observe the magical ALT plus tab. See how it swiftly switches between open applications. Next, behold the power of CTRL plus Z, the ultimate oops eraser. Fourth, we have CTRL plus S. No one likes to lose their work. Watch how it saves the day. Fifth, Shift plus F, witness how it turns you into a digital detective, find anything anywhere. Sixth, CTRL plus Shift plus T, a lifesaver that brings back your closed tab. Seventh, Alt plus F4, check out this swift exit strategy. Eighth, CTRL plus Alt plus Del, the boss key for managing tasks or just locking your PC. Ninth, Shift plus Delete, it permanently deletes files, no recycle bin detour. And finally, CTRL plus P, the bridge from digital to paper, watch as it prints away. Use these shortcuts to win your keyboard derby. Enjoyed the video? Hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment with your favorite shortcut. Stay tuned for more. Ending shot.